Once you're happy with the first draft, click on Edit Site at the top right. This will take you into the Hostinger website builder where we can start customizing the design of the website manually. Now, every page on your website is made up of one or multiple sections. So for example, here on the home page, we have the first section right here. Then below that, we have the next section. And below that, we have another section right here. Inside of these sections, we have different elements that make up the content of your website. Most of these elements are images, text, and buttons. To edit any text, just click on the text element you want to change, then click on Edit Text and make your adjustments. You can also use the menu bar up here to customize the style of the text. And the same goes for the buttons. Just click on the button you want to edit, then click Edit Button. And here you can change the text of the button and where that button should link to. To move any of the elements on your page, simply click, hold, and drag it to a new position. Now, to change any of the images on your website, simply click on the image you want to replace, then click on Edit Image, Replace Image, and then upload the image you want to add, and then select it here. If you want to add a new element to your page, go to the left side and click on the plus icon. And here you can see an overview of all the different elements you can add. For example, let's add a button. Just click, hold, and drag it onto your page. Then we can edit this button and make sure it's nicely aligned to the rest of the text. If you want to add a completely new section to your page, all you have to do is hover over the section below which you want to place the new one, then click on Add Section. Here we can either start with a completely blank section or we can choose one of these templates. I'm going to use this template right here, so I'm just going to click on it and it will automatically appear on my page. To remove any element from your page, just select it and then click on the trash icon. It works the same way for a section. Just select it and then click on the trash icon up here. And whenever you make a mistake, you can just click on the undo button up here to reverse the last change.